Hi, I'm Gary Rogowski. I'm the director of the Northwest Woodworking Studio, a school for woodworkers here in Portland. And I wonder if you've ever run into a teacher like this. I was at a class learning how to tie bamboo for a garden. I was up at a Japanese garden. I was learning how to tie bamboo, and it's a fairly complicated knot. And I couldn't get it. I would get it, then I'd forget. And there was like 9 separate moves. And the teacher came up to me, and he was seeing that I was struggling, and he said, "Do you fish?" I said, "No, I don't fish." He said, "It's just like fishing." I have a different approach. Let me show you. This is an exercise I call the 5-minute dovetail, and I designed it to help people learn how to cut dovetails. Then I learned people didn't really want to learn that much about cutting dovetails. They wanted to learn about woodworking, and this helped get people centered. It helped get people straight in the head. So it's really about warming up. Woodworkers are one of the few groups that don't warm up before they get in the shop. They just launch into their project and screw something up and then have to fix it. Musicians warm up, baseball players warm up. So this exercise is less about cutting dovetails than it is about getting to the bench, getting your focus narrowed in on the work at hand. Now what I've done here is cut what's called a tail. Looks sort of like this is sort of like a dovetail. I'm going to line one end up on the other to make a corner and mark out that tail shape. Now with my saw on the inside of that pencil mark, make my saw cut. Finish up chopping with the chisel. I tell my students, if they understand the importance of the wedge is everything in the shop. It's everything. It's almost every tool except a hammer. It's the truth. Chisels, hand planes, saws, sandpaper, clamps, all wedges. Great. Who knew? Not bad. 5-minute dovetails. It's just a warm-up. Not precious. It's how I get to the shop.